It is March 12th, and we have a second round of drywallers here today. Oh, someone's coming outside. There's Rachel. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, YouTube!
They've put up the drywall, and now they need to tape and mud it. So that's what they're doing today. Got this thing. Wow, that's so cool. Smooths it out like that. Nice.
There he is using probably the most common drywall tool, the taping knife, to make all the mud flat.
So I believe the first thing they do is they put up one layer of fast set light 20 caulkish stuff, and then they put some tape over top of it. This is wherever there's like a meeting of two pieces of drywall. Here there's actually a meeting of 1, 2, 3. One layer of tape, and then they're gonna put another layer of the fast set light over top of it too. That's how you get rid of those cracks. This right here, the bazooka.
These guys had two different methods for accessing high, hard to reach places. One was the poor man's scaffolding, which I love. And the second was wearing stilts.
Those things are awesome.
All right, thank you.
All right, looks like they've finished up. Everything's flattened out. Right down there used to be half drywall, half stem wall. But they added so much mud, it just looks like one continuous wall. That's mudding magic.
What did we learn today? I learned that I don't want to ever do drywall. There was a minute where I thought, you know what? Drywall is something I could do. That's a good way to save money. I am so happy I didn't do it. There's so much that goes into doing drywall. You gotta hang the large boards first, which are heavy. Then you gotta mud and tape it. And then you gotta sand. I haven't even shown you the sanding yet. Mudding, taping. Unless you just really love dealing with goopy stuff, leave it to the experts.